Life insurance is your last love letter to your family. How will yours read? The topic for my speech today is life insurance and its contribution to generational wealth. I have researched the required topics, attended classes, and acquired the knowledge to present this topic to you guys today. In this speech, I will outline the basics of insurance and inform you on ways to acquire life insurance to contribute to generational wealth. What is life insurance? It may sound like a basic question, but many people don't know the answer. Life insurance sole purpose is to provide money when the insured is deceased. The insured is whoever takes out the policy. For example, if I take out a policy and I leave the money to my son, which is called the beneficiary, I am the insured and he will receive the death benefit. In my absence, the death benefit will pay for bills that I usually pay, debt that I've already accrued, and whatever else my son chooses to do in my absence. Life insurance is important for many reasons. As I mentioned earlier, to pay for debt, to pay for bills that I would have to pay, but I'm no longer here, and to help my son get into college and whatever debt he may accrue. The death benefit replaces the income of the insured. The death benefit serves as a means to reduce debt that will otherwise go unpaid. And when I mean otherwise go unpaid, if I die today with a son, I still have bills. I have car note, whatever, I have bills. And if I'm no longer here and I don't have life insurance, those bills won't get paid. That is what death benefit comes in. There are 3 different types of life insurances. A lot of people don't know that, but in case you guys do, I will tell you. There's term life insurance, there's universal life insurance, and there's whole life insurance. Term life insurance is popular, mainly among young people. You usually have 10-year terms, 15-year terms, 20-year terms. The premium, which is the payment each month or every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly, is what you pay each time your bill is due. The premiums are usually lower than universal insurance and whole life insurance. Like I said, it only lasts either 20 years at the most. Most people do 20 years. And it's there to serve as income replacement if the insured dies or for whatever else reason. The next kind of life insurance is universal life insurance. Universal life insurance, the premium is much higher than term life insurance, but you can change it. You can change your premium throughout the term of your contract, and you can change how much coverage you get. There's the difference between term and universal. And the latest is whole life. Whole life is far more expensive. The pay is the same. The premium is the same. And it covers you for your whole life. So universal life insurance and whole life insurance covers you for your whole life. Term life insurance, it only covers you for whatever term you chose. As I said, term life insurance is more popular because it's cheaper and we're not promised to be here tomorrow. Now that we have established what life insurance is, we will now talk about how life insurance can help you. Has anyone in the audience ever heard of generational wealth? Okay, I take that as no. Generational wealth is wealth passed around from one generation to the next. Have you ever seen families and you like, oh, well, they have money. How are they able to afford that? And I can't do it. My parents can't do it. My family can't do it. Like, they're doing everything that we can't do. They're not much different than you. They are not more special than you. But some of them have financial secrets. And one of those secrets is life insurance. Life insurance is the key contribution to generational wealth. One life insurance policy can change your life. I know everyone, how many people here know someone who died? Everybody knows somebody who died, right? So if you know 2 people who died and you had a $100,000 policy on them, that could have changed our lives. Could have changed your life, my life. I know someone who died close to me. So if you have, let's just say, 3 people to die in your family and you have a $500,000 policy, which I have a $500,000 policy on myself. If all 3 of those people died, that's what? $1.5 million. And if you had an accident death rider, it doubles. So that's $3 million. I can use $3 million, and I know a lot of other people can. So, $3 million can carry on from generation to generation to generation. That's what I mean by generational wealth. Life insurance compared to other retirements, as far as like Social Security, traditional IRAs, pension plans, is unmatched. You know why? Because the death benefit on life insurance is untaxed. If you receive a death benefit, let's say your husband dies, your mother, your father, your children, God forbid, you get a death benefit and it's not taxed. So if you take out $500,000 or $1 million, you get $1 million straight. It's yours. The government cannot do anything to that. Compared to IRAs, Social Security, pensions, whatever, they're going to get theirs. So as you can see, life insurance is that secret. If you get a life insurance policy today for your kids, no matter if you have kids or not, you're setting them up for the future. And your family can be the family that people look at and say, how did they get that? How are they that special? You know, because sometimes we have looked at people, I know I have, and I wonder, like, what are they doing? What am I doing wrong? What did my mom do wrong? They just had life insurance policies. And after you get 4 or 5 of them, you know, you'll start living well. So life insurance is the secret to generational wealth. So what can we do about it? First and foremost, take out life insurance policies. That's number 1. Number 2, encourage your kids to take out life insurance policies. Whether they're taking out policies on you, policies on themselves, no matter if they have kids or not. If they don't have offspring yet, that's fine. Because eventually they will. So, when they're at their youngest, their healthiest, it's best to encourage your kids to get life insurance policies. And if you are able, you should give them life insurance policies. So they won't have that to worry about. And when they're able to financially take off it, they can do that. That's number 2. 3, get a life insurance policy. I know I said that already, but I said that to reiterate. It is important. It is easy. It is the secret. It is the key to success. And if we educate our children, it'll just continue. And we'll do what? Establish generational wealth. So again,
7 minutes and 40 seconds.
Again, what is your last love letter to your family? How will your last love letter to your family read? I know how mine will read. Thank you.
How you rambling?
Huh?
What you talking about?